Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Data Analysis and choose Diversity Analysis and PERMANOVA. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Data Upload Instructions. In this option, you can get instructions on how to properly upload your dataset. How to save as CSV. This option is provided to know how to save your dataset in CSV format correctly. How to perform analysis. In this option, you can get step-by-step guidance on how to perform statistical analysis. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the species column. Next comes the location column. Then select the site column. And then select the count column. Click here if you don't have a location. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Visualization tab to create sketched bar graph. Relative bar graph. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the Diversity Indices tab, you can explore various diversity indices, alpha indices, standardized alpha index plot, heat map, PCA plot, correlation plot, box plot. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the Beta Diversity tab, you can compare diversity among sample sites. Dendrogram, box plot, PCOA plot 1, PCOA plot 2, Sorensen heat map, distribution plot. In the PERMANOVA tab, you will get statistical validations for comparing diversity. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with RAISINS.live and make your data speak.